This is before, after. We're gonna do a little build series on the sim that we've been building for our trophy burrito. This is the room. Today, first we're gonna paint this wall like a flat gray, I think, and then this is where the sim's gonna work out, where it's gonna go. We got the rig ordered. We have the monitors here. They got the computer. We've been playing around with the iRacing. It's pretty cool. Follow along. I think we're gonna make 4-part videos in this and just kind of document it all. So if anyone wants to learn to build a sim, we're gonna have all the info. So enjoy. All right, we got an update. Went to Home Depot, got some matte black. Hi. Got some holes filled in the wall. Gonna wait for that to dry. Throw a first coat of black on the sides around the holes. Got some tape. Still gotta tape the top. Got new covers. Black ones. Does that little Cat 5 come out?
Which one?
Like clips out somehow. There you go. Yeah, just leave that there. We'll just cover it. We never used it. We're gonna have to put another piece in the corner, but that's a good job. Oh, look at it's dropping down. Always put it above it, not below it. Like run it back a little bit. I've got some holes to patch, so we left those to dry. But looks pretty good. I think it'll look cool when we dry it. We'll give it another little coat. I think it's gonna help a lot with the glare and everything. Sure. Feel like you're in the car. Don't tell her, but the sim rig just arrived downstairs. Oh, I thought she had her headphones in. Wow, she hears me. Well, we're gonna put the rig together now, so that'll be exciting.
I kind of heard.
And then we'll give this a second coat tomorrow. These are the side rails.
Those are the
So you can, don't take the nuts and bolts out, but unwrap all of these pieces. No, take them out of the box, but don't take them out of the bags.
It's kind of like a cup.
It's for your cup.
Oh.
So you can have a drink in there. This morning, and I just want to give you guys a little look at the sim. It came out amazing. This is phase 1. Got that solid rig. So just want to give you guys a little bit of advice on this, because I've been through this process and gone down the rabbit hole of what to buy, what not to buy. So the most important thing when you're choosing the rig, this is the rig, the frame and everything, is you want to get this extruded aluminum 80-20 set up. It's you can see you can expand on it. Basically it's rock solid. Like you can barely move it. It's got the floor leveling there, so it's super solid deal. But it's got all these accessories. You just put these little T-nuts, and then you can bolt on anything you want. So the monitor stands is going to be made out of the same stuff. We went with an independent monitor stand, which means it's not attached. So when this is got the force feedback from the wheel, you're not moving your monitors. The monitors will sit here on their own stand independently. So if this moves a little bit and vibrates, the monitors are steady. That was one of the things I learned. I've been digging down the rabbit hole, YouTube, Reddit, whatnot, learning all this stuff. So got everything laid out pretty much. Putting a bunch of accessories on the rig. Got this mount for the speaker control. Got the speakers laid out. Got the sub just rested there. So we got small neons. I put up our trophies and a picture. So We're waiting now. This week should be the monitor stand, and then the week after that should be all the Sim Magic stuff should show up, and we're good to go. So this is the end of video 1. Subscribe, give us a follow. We're gonna think 4 more videos in this series on how to build a sim. I wanted to add one thing. No matter what kind of setup you get this 80/20 stuff. It's super sturdy. It's gonna be exactly what you need. Want to make this video a little bit more informative, so you definitely want to get 80/20 sturdy base, proper seat. I got a slider on there and there's a little bit of flex. I'm not too happy, but we're gonna have to deal with it for now. Got a Sparkle seat straight out of a race car. So that's where we're at. Hope you guys enjoyed it.